Today, together with our panel of experts, we will talk about documenting our services in the best way that improves the user experience. The agenda for today starts with a very short introduction of the EnbriFair project, as this webinar is organized within the EnbriFair training activities. After the introduction, we will invite our 4 speakers to share their experience and expertise on service documentation and tutorial design. Following the presentations, we will move to the discussion where our audience will have the chance to ask questions to our speakers. This part of the webinar will also include a panel discussion with our experts, where we will ask them some questions regarding the important aspects, but also the challenges they have faced while dealing with their topics. The minutes of this webinar, with links to the presentations and all the comments and questions, will be collected in a common notes document that we will share together with the recording afterwards. A very few words for our project. First, the EnbriFair is a pan-European project aiming to advance the findability, accessibility, interoperability, and reusability of the data and services offered by the cluster of the environmental research infrastructures and to connect them to the European Open Science Cloud. Through this effort, we aim at better understanding the Earth system and better responding to all challenges of our environment. Today's webinar is part of a series of training events that will lead to this year's ENVRI Summer School, which will take place in Lecce in Italy. The topic of the school is about the design and development of data services for end users. During the school, we will continue the training we started with our webinars on the service documentation and evaluation. We will explore the service requirements and the user expectations. We will work on examples of services, and we will get to know more about the reusability and interoperability of our services. And we will use our experience in the ENVRI cluster while building a fair ENVRI hub of services. The registration for the school is still open. You can find the links also in the Common Notes document, and I invite you all to grab this opportunity for a face-to-face event in Italy. It is now time to welcome our speakers. We will start with Rob and Chris from EUDAT, who will bring some experience from service documentation at EUDAT. Next, we will have Helen, who will talk about service tutorial design and her experience in USC Synergy. And we will continue with Maggie from ICOS, who will share some experience using Jupyter Notebooks as a tool to introduce services.